I made this video here because I often see people that actually struggle with this. I used to struggle with it myself here. Like, I never used to wear the DURAG properly. Like, I used to get marks all the time. Like, you know that big mark here, that crease on your forehead. And it's not nice, you know what I mean? And it's not even really healthy, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wear it properly.
Get out the hood, they say you Hollywood. How dare you niggas tell me that I got it good? Gotta check and treat a niggas like I'm Robin Hood. When it was time to stand up for me, see nobody stood.
Tie up the DURAG normally, but instead of going around like this again, don't do that. Just tie it from here. Now stick everything in like this. And in order to make the compression better, use a dome cap. I'm telling you, with this method, it's guaranteed. This is the best method. So you can say bye to the marks on your forehead, to the crease. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and share with all your friends, all the waivers. Help my channel grow. Follow me on all social media platforms and all that. Peace.